Good evening, I'm Ankita Singh, and you're watching the 9 p.m. News Bulletin on Channel 6 Network. Here are today's top stories. Actor Saif Ali Khan was attacked by an intruder in his Bandra apartment. The actor was stabbed multiple times in what appears to be a burglary attempt. The police have detained a suspect for questioning, and authorities are investigating the incident. In a positive update, Saif has been shifted out of ICU following emergency surgery and is on the road to recovery. In legal news, the Supreme Court has stayed the Delhi High Court's order, which directed the Appellate Delhi government to sign and move with the Centre for the implementation of the Ayushman Bharat scheme. This development comes amid rising political tensions between the AAP and BJP. Moving on to health news, doctors at Lilavati Hospital have shared a positive health update about Saif Ali Khan, calling him a hero for his resilience following the stabbing incident. The actor, who underwent surgery for severe spinal injuries, has now been shifted out of the ICU and is reportedly recovering well. The film, starring Ram Charan and Kiara Advani, was illegally broadcast on a local cable channel. Authorities are continuing their investigation into the piracy case. Turning to cricket, Sanju Samson's chances of making it to the Champions Trophy squad are in jeopardy. The BCCI is investigating his absence from the Vijay Hazare Trophy, and the board is seeking valid reasons for his unavailability for Kerala's domestic team. In financial news, shares of Reliance Industries surged nearly 5% following strong Q3 earnings, driven by robust growth in their retail segment and increased demand for 5G services. The rise in shares has instilled greater investor confidence in the company's performance. In the Delhi Assembly election campaign, AAP leader Arvind Kejriwal has promised free bus rides for male students and a 50% discount on metro fares if his party wins the upcoming elections. The promise, aimed at benefiting Delhi's students, adds to the political promises leading up to the polls. In a major development for India's mobility sector, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2025. The event, set to be India's largest mobility exhibition, will feature over 100 new product launches, including electric vehicles and cutting-edge technological innovations. Lastly, in the latest on Saif Ali Khan's stabbing case, the police have intensified their investigation after a suspect was detained in connection with the burglary attempt at the actor's Bandra apartment. Authorities continue to gather evidence as part of their probe. In international news, outgoing US Ambassador Eric Garcetti has emphasized the need for India and the United States to address challenges related to nuclear cooperation and tariff barriers. Garcetti's statement calls for India to resolve issues related to nuclear liability laws and trade tariffs to boost bilateral cooperation in critical technologies. That's all for tonight's top stories. Stay tuned for more updates. This is Ankita Singh, signing off from Channel 6 Network.